All right, in my last video I did an installation of these rear-facing seats in my Tesla Model S. This is an option. If your car didn't come with them, you can retrofit them in. Check out my other video on how to do that. But this area in the back here gets a little warm in the summertime when the sun's beating down on the kids. So I'm just trying to create a way to get some more air ventilation. So I have a couple fans here. The one challenge I'm running into is getting power back here. There's no power source. So I'm just working on running an extension cord. So see this red wire right through here? That is a socket extension that's run to the middle console in the front to get power from there. So there's only one 12-volt socket in the whole car, so I'm basically using that, running that extension cord back here, and I'm just going to show you how I ran that cord. Okay, so this is just a 12-volt wire that runs to the back here. This is a pretty thick wire. I just got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link, but it's 12 feet long, and here's the socket area. And what I did is I ran it behind this panel. Now back in the back here, this is on the driver's side, there's a little access hatch like this, just goes there. I ran it through there around this area. Okay, if you take this panel off first, there's just a small, if you see here, there's a Torx 20 or a T20 bolt. This is the switch for the third row, or for the trunk in the back. So just take that out. So this is sitting like this. Take that out, then you can just take out this push pin right here, and then you can peel back this panel like so. Okay, so I basically started the female end through here. You can see I ran it down right through here. Here's the seat belt, but I just ran it along these high power charging cables. And then, okay, so the wire runs basically from here to the back and then runs from here. So if you just stick your hand through there, you can push the cable through there. And then on this side, just pull the bolster back a little bit and you can reach the other side through here. And then I just have the wire tucked under the seat, like so. And then the only evidence you can see of the wire here is I have it just tucked under the seat. This is the driver's side. And then it comes through here. And then I just have it run under the mat into a receptacle. Now there's no receptacle in the back seat. So this is just a three-way plug that's plugged into the front. So in the front of the console there's the 12-volt source. So I have the end of this wire there. So all you need is about a 12 foot kind of an extension 12-volt socket. Run that to the back here. So now I have power in the back. And that is switched power, so it'll only be on when the car's on, so I don't have to worry about it draining the battery when it's not, the car's not on. But now I can plug items into here. I have these little fans here I can plug into there, so that's going to be able to be helpful for the back seat. But anyways, that was a way that I got power to the back row, to the back trunk area, in case you were curious on how to do that. Instead of trying to splice into other power, I think that's at least a safe way to do it. Run this cable there. Anyways, all right, now that I have my power cord run, I can have my fan plugged in. I ran the fan wire through the same hole behind this panel up into here, and then I have it suction cupped onto this small little window, this little triangular window in the back. I have the fan mounted there, and that way, I guess the whole purpose behind it is really just to circulate the cool air from the cabin. So because the back seat is higher, there's not a lot of clearance here, there's not a lot of airflow through here, so really this is just going to provide for airflow to the back, and then I have this other fan to be able to blow, to their faces. So this is a way that I thought of. I think this is a good location for it. It's just suction cupped right onto the window there. So this is the driver's side passenger second row seat. So if you see right here in this little triangular window, I just have this suction cupped right here, and then it's just pointing towards the rear. So it's pointing right through this little opening in the rear, and it's going to just push that air from the cabin to the rear cargo area. So when the kids are sitting back there, there's going to be some cooler air blowing back there. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe.